apologize for the background noise. That is my furnace running. It is pretty cold out there, showing 55 degrees in the shop right now. That's Fahrenheit, so it's a little chilly out. It's a nice snowy evening, and we're out here finishing that back piece. Milling the back, everything went really well. It was the same process as milling the top, so I thought I had to change things up and make the video a little bit more interesting. We put you right there on top of the CNC machine, and you got to see everything from the point of the end mill. I thought it was kind of interesting. I also did some of those CNC-based time-lapse effects, which I thought were really cool. If you liked them, let me know. If you hated them, let me know. If you want to hear more content where I'm just talking to you like now, then let me know, and I'll do more of that. So this thing worked out really great. I've got just a little onion skin still on here from the CNC machine to take off by hand, and we've got to clean up all this milling mark, but that back is really great. I've been doing that on the top. I've got the outside pretty much set. We're going to set up and mill the F-holes on this one. This is going to be a really cool process. I've done this a few times on the CNC machine, and it's really fascinating. To me, maybe not. Let me know. And the sides are all set up. Once we get those F-holes cut, well, actually, before we get those F-holes cut, we're going to want to break this out of the mold, clean up these corner blocks, get them ready to adhere to the body, and then put it back in the mold to glue it on to the top. So that's where we're at right now. We appreciate your likes and your subscriptions, and when you click the bell, and you follow us on Facebook, and you follow us on Instagram. So have a good day, and we'll see you next time.